Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back with another video. So this video I will show you beautiful room decoration. So I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, so don't forget to comment me down so that I can bring for you beautiful videos. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So you can see this picture, you can see beautiful picture and all. You can see the blue color wall, the lamp, you can see white color and brown color, beautiful lamp and all. And the floor, you can see beautiful floor and all. And the curtain, it's also very beautiful. You can see the wall, blue color wall, and bed also. You can see beautiful bed and all. Good bed, good decoration and design. It's also very beautiful. You can see the blue color wall, the white color wall also. Good design and decoration. The table and all, you can see beautiful. It's also very beautiful. It is normal, but okay. You can see the wall and the bed. You can see beautiful bed and all. It's also very beautiful. You can see the blue color wall, and the up you can see a white color roof. You can see beautiful. It's also very beautiful. You can see the candles and all, and the cup, you can see beautiful cup and all. Good decoration and design. It's also very beautiful. You can see the songs, this and all. Beautiful thing, beautiful looking, very beautiful. And the purple light also very beautiful. It's also very beautiful. You can see the blue color wall, the lamp, you can see, and the floor, wooden theme, all the theme. It is very beautiful. It's also the brown color wall, the plants, you can see beautiful plants and all. And the sofas also blue color, the floor mat also in blue and black color. It's also very beautiful. The blue color wall, you can keep their books and all, any books. And the table, you can do your dinner and all. That's also very beautiful. You can see the bed, black color bed, and the wall, you can see black color. The lamps, you can see beautiful lamp and all. And that is also very beautiful. You can see the wall, blue color wall and all. And the mirror, you can see outside, beautiful place. This is also very beautiful. You can see the for the frames and all, beautiful frames. Good decoration and design. It's also very beautiful. You can see the wall, you can see, and sofas, you can see beautiful decoration and all. This also very beautiful. You can see the floor and all, good white color floor decoration and all. And the wall, you can see silver color wall, the bed and all, beautiful. This also in dark color theme. You can see the up lights and all, beautiful lights and all. And the bed, silver color, black color, beautiful. This one also very beautiful. You can see the wall, you can see and the floor, you can see brown color floor and all, beautiful. This also very beautiful. The chairs, you can see blue color chair and all, good decoration design. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, so don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon so that I can make for you beautiful VIP rooms. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.